This video is sponsored by Lido. Thanks again for supporting the channel. I'm going to show you how to extract data from explanation of benefits PDFs to Excel automatically. Now, we're going to use this one right here as an example. This is a picture of an explanation of benefits. This is mock data, but this is often what we're going to get in these complicated health documents. We're going to use Lido, which I've used for several years, and it's got some great tooling to extract data from PDFs, from images, and we're going to title it up here, and you can see that the main format here is just like a regular Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel sheet, with one big difference right here. We've got this Extract Data button. This is where we're going to get this dialog box, and we can click here to upload. I'm going to use, I think the third one right here was the one that I was analyzing a second ago. And this is going to analyze the document and bring in all of the columns of data that it thinks we will want to extract. So it's got a lot of stuff to parse through here, but it does it pretty quickly. And you can see right down here a couple things. So if we wanted to click to upload or drag and drop another document, we can do multiple pages, multiple files, all in one fell swoop. Over here in our spreadsheet, it's got all of these columns that it thinks we want the information for. That's coming from this section right here. Service code, service date, billed amount, allowed amount, patient responsibility, plan payments, all this stuff. If we wanted to change some of these, so if I wanted to say, I don't care about plan payments, but what I do care about is, see one of the other things over here. So if I wanted to put instead patient ID, we can click add new column and then claim date, add new column, and those update automatically over here in our spreadsheet. Now, once we're satisfied with this, we can add extra instructions for the AI down in here. I found that this is typically not even necessary unless you've got a special use case or some complicated information it's just not parsing through correctly. So what I'll often do is just leave that blank, and it's been totally fine. If we have multiple rows per document we need, so if there's multiple lines and we want that all extracted from one document, that works particularly well with invoicing. Then we can leave that checked. And then once we're ready, we can say process all files. It's going to give us a little countdown here, processing a number of percentages. And then we're going to see our data populate in the spreadsheet form over here to the left. Now because we extracted multiple rows per document, it is bringing in all of the things on our sheet. Let's show you what we were looking at again. This is the sheet that we were playing off of, and it's going to bring in all of the service codes, which is this column right here, and the column status, the service date, billed, allowed, all this stuff. We've got a column for each one. And then I want to point out one thing it did here. I typed in patient ID, and I didn't even look at our dummy data over here. It really didn't do a good job. It's got the address up here where patient ID is supposed to be. But our AI actually looked over here, and this column is also named incorrectly. This says service date main. It's just a typo from the AI that generated this dummy data. But right here, we've got what appears to be patient ID numbers. So it has used these numbers to fill in the patient ID column right here. Now, in an actual real life scenario, this would be organized on the PDF properly. But I think that's pretty cool that it actually parsed out that, this random 1211 Bivol Street is probably not an actual patient ID. And then it did successfully bring in October 26th for the date on the claim date on this. Now, once you've got your data in here, you don't even have to use this sheet, although you could to clean it up. We can actually go to File and then Export Values to Excel. This gives us a nice Excel workbook to work with here. I'm going to click Enable Editing, and then I can do all of my data analysis inside of Excel where I needed it to begin with. Now, explanation of benefit sheets like these, the real ones, actually contain a lot of critical information and a ton of information. So manually copying them or typing them from that form into an Excel sheet is going to be laborious and error prone. I like that Lido makes this a simple process and one that really happens automatically and then straight into Excel. If you want to check out Lido for your business or use case, I've got a link in the description below. Hope it's useful for you. Have a great day.